In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display today's date in Smartsheet. If you've ever needed the current date to appear automatically in your sheet, there's a simple formula that does exactly that. I'll walk you through setting it up and making sure it works correctly from the start. First, open your Smartsheet and decide exactly where you want today's date to show. It could be in a specific row for tracking or in a header row if you just want a quick reference. Before you type anything, there's one important setting to confirm. The column where this date will live must be a date type column. This is essential because the formula returns a date value, and Smartsheet needs to know to treat it as such. To check that, right-click the column header, choose Edit Column Properties, and make sure the column type is set to Date. If you plan to type other kinds of information into this same column later, be mindful of additional restrictions. Those can block non-date entries. If that's a concern, consider dedicating a specific date column for this purpose so your formula always works consistently. Once that's squared away, click the cell where you want the date to appear. Type an equal sign, then the word today, followed by an open parenthesis and a close parenthesis, and press Enter. Written out, that's equals today, open bracket, close bracket. The moment you hit Enter, Smartsheet will display today's date in that cell. What's great about this is that the today function is dynamic. That means it keeps up with the calendar, so when you open the sheet tomorrow, the date updates to the new day automatically. You don't have to change anything manually. You can also do quick date math right in the formula. For example, if you want a date that's 5 days from today, maybe for a due date or a reminder, type equals today. Open bracket, close bracket, plus 5, then press Enter. Smartsheet will return a valid date that's exactly 5 days ahead, and it will continue to stay 5 days ahead as time moves forward. This is a simple way to build timelines and follow-ups without manually counting days. To recap, confirm your column is set to date, click the target cell, enter equals today, open bracket, close bracket, press Enter, and you're done. Add plus a number if you want a future date. If this walkthrough helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.